Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to recover, how to acquire once again Gmail ID password. In a case someone who has stolen your Gmail ID, in a case you have forgot your Gmail ID password, you know Gmail ID, of course you can recover it without having your registered recovery mobile number or recovery Gmail ID. Yes, this can be possible. But of course, before proceeding the whole procedure, we would like to show you what's carefully, step by step. 2, 3 is a very crucial step that we need to get up to enter it smartly. So here, what we will do here, simply we will go in a sign in, guys. As we do here, and upon here, just we will write any Gmail ID that we would like to especially recover. So this Gmail ID we will go for next. Now here, what we will do, we are trying to enter any password and upon we will go for next. So it's saying that wrong password. Try again or the click forgot password to either reset it. So just we will click on a forgot. Fine. Now it's asking the registered especially number that we need to enter here so that we will. So just we will click here, we don't have. If we don't have, then it's saying that couldn't sign you in. Guys, here smartly don't click on try again, otherwise 2-3 times if you do, and as we know that Google will block your Gmail ID for timing or maybe permanence, so be sure for it. Now, because it's clearly given you did not provide enough information for Google to be sure this account is really yours or this account belongs to you. So Google asks for the info keep here your account secure if possible when the sign in. Let's see now further. Just we will cut it from here and report. Once again we will come to Google or Google especially product office. Just we will tap here and we have a 2-3 all the Google products here. We will come in a open to Google Chrome browser. So just we will once again here see. Just we will click on here and just we will hold this one Google Chrome. Once again let me. So iDot has been open here, guys. Just we will click on here. Fine. Now here we will have to navigate by permission to location. So let's navigate the locations. Fine. Here we will have to select don't allow. So don't allow, it will ask you if you deny the permission, the basic feature, this kind of the things that will be intended that there will be no longer. So fine, just don't allow anything. Just we will select this one. We'll be back. Once again we have another Google product, that is a Google browser. Yes, we will click on iDot and report we will come the permission to, of course we will navigate the location to we will click on a don't allow. So it is asking once again don't allow, anyway we will select these ones. Now what we will do, guys, here simply we will cut it and upon just we will come in the Play Store. We will write here, that is a very important thing. We will come the Play Store search bar. We will write here power browser and here we will hit this ones. We will install it. So now see, it's trying to install, it's a pending verification, yeah, whatever is that, and now it has started to install. So we will have to wait here because it's a total approximately 100 MB. So 1% has been downloaded. So leave it, it's downloading. On the other hand, just we will once again come in a Google products and thereupon we will come in a Google Chrome. We will come in a here, open it here, and by opening just click on a 3 dot and here as we see we have a history. history that we have to clear. So we will have to click on a clear browsing. Don't go in the basic because only you will have the 3 steps. We will come in a here advanced. In advanced we have to select all the time. Fine. And upon we have to clear it. So now we can see there is no any history. Fine. In especially Google Chrome's. Now as we see it has been downloaded or not by coming in the Play Store, and 26% it has been downloaded. So just it's taking our time a little bit, so we will have to wait here. Let it download firstly properly. So approximately 33% it has been. So simply if you have the time, just to try to here come in once again Google Chrome, and here just open it guys, and after opening it just now see we have done everything here. Now just we will go for to now let's open, and let's come in there, and upon in 3 dot we have a once again translate browser. This kind of the thing is coming here. Just recent collections recents, just we will click on here, and here open to go to my activity history, and now it's coming. Now just we will come on this browser. Power browser is a coming files. So now just we will click on here to last or especially last or this one. Got it. Now just deleting now everything. So now once again there especially this Gmail ID is mine guys, and don't recover it otherwise. So this is only one education purpose, so don't misuse of this step, otherwise of course further we will not make any tutorials on it. So that's why now we are here, we will check it out. Now once again in a Play Store the comments, this almost 70-80% we have completed. It's a total the size of this power browser is approximately 100 MB. So just almost 85% we have done. I know this video is going to become a little bit lengthy, means total maybe 15 minutes will take, short less than 20 minutes guys, I will take, don't worry. But of course you can recover similarity, and this can be possible by only once in this step, otherwise as we know that this is not the possible, not an easy task, but of course in this can be possible. I will show you how easily you can. So 98% is 99% is we have done, 100% is we have done. Now installation has been finally. Let's see, it will open here, it will highlight to open, and thereupon we will check it out. Just a little bit, it's taking time. Now it has been, just open it, you click and it's opening. On the other hand we have to handle that is once again we will come the Google product, and thereupon here just we will click on a Google Chrome on a and we will have to go for I dot. So just to this one we will come, and thereupon here just we will come in a Google browser apps. Where is the browser app? As we know that just below the remove permission if app is required, just below that here, and we are coming here to power browser options. So just we will select it, and thereupon of course we will back, and similar we will have to open this, and on a Google this also we will have to select if it is possible. Default set as this one, see, set as default, and we have a link already here, just we have to clear, and this link shouldn't be enabled, this should be disabled guys, this should be disabled. If enable, then click 2-3 times and thereupon make it disable. Now what will happen guys here, yes, we will come in a power browser, And now it's the time to have the crucial step. So just we will write on a Google. Here just we have to write Google, and we will go in and upon just let it opens. Now we will sign in, guys. Here in sign in, just here we will write that ID we would like to recover. Yes, it is. And here we have next. In next, what will happen, just we don't click here that any wrong pass, just click on a forgot password, and upon here now just it's asking the register number, we click, we don't have, and upon here it's sign in. Now it's asking once again the information. Now just got it from here, and more crucial importance that we will come in a setting. After coming the setting, what will happen, just we will come the Google service. So let's below the account and the backup, just account and backup below there is a one Google to Google service. We will click on here, and after coming here just we will click on this three dot, and there is help option. In help options here, yes, there is a help search bar. Here we will have to write lost only once. Lost 2 we will have options, lost or stolen phones options. We will pick those ones, and upon of course tab on a common fix this one first options. Now here the last one we will have to pick it, that is a recover your account. So just below get a new phone from your carrier, one option that is a recover your account. Just we will go with this tips to the complete account recovery. This step we will have to select. So just now we have especially extremely exhausted, guys, but of course this is a hard task, but of course we can do it, and you can do it also, guys, don't worry. Now recover account recovery page, just below page. So directly it will be reached to where? Yes, it will be reached to directly on Power browser. So this is a Power browser, guys. Here as we see, this is a Power browser, and here I was just saying, but that's new tab was open here, as we know that. So let it cut, and this is a Power browser. Once again here just we have to come the setting. Just for demo I'm taking much more time, but if you do then smartly you can have quickly. So Google service 2, of course we will come in here in the help to just once again here we come directly. So now this browser can be open. Now here just we will write this ID, and upon what we will do here, just simply we will have options, that is here. Next we will click, and as we see directly we would be here. So we have a two option, guys, that is yes, one is update password, and the second we have that is a continue. So what we will do, we don't have to choose, that is especially continue. We will go with the update password. Simply we will have to handle it this smartly, that's update password. So it's taking a little. Now directly we are here, change password. It means of course you have an opportunity to, anyone who has a change anything, you will have an opportunity to generate or create new strong password. Maybe that was weak or feeble due to that, and to someone who has generated or stolen. But now it's the time to once again right here Gmail, or this one is especially here Gmail, as well as create password, and along with it, as we know that here Gmail this password verification password, and thereupon of course we will save it. Right now I'm not going to do so because we don't need of these ones, but you can handle this way smartly and you can have this password. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. For the main inquiry, of course I have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would remains to reply of the query, guys. I'm not going into much more detail in there, so otherwise of course as we know that what will happen. So this is all about. And any kind of the inquiry, of course, raise the query below the comment box. The pleasure would be mine to reply to the query, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye. And guys, if it is informative, then share it so that someone who is having visualized to have this kind of information by free of course from this channel, they can have especially. So this way, guys. So thank you very much indeed.